Jamaica. Theodore Whitmore seeking counsel from his assistants there. Now Nicholson. Poked away there for a throw by Daniel Maldonado. Just needed games. So we left Pachuca in Mexico to go play in Chile with the Chilean version of Everton. A lot of players making these kinds of choices just need minutes, just need games. Get them wherever they can. Ryan Moya came off earlier, is plying his club trade in Angola. Wow. The Jamaica passes are being olayed by the Honduras supporters. A real show of displeasure. These fans are really frustrated that they're staring down the barrel of a 6th qualifying match without a win. Laid by your own supporters at home. Lawrence on here for De Cordova-Reid. He'll keep it in here ahead of the byline. Now De Cordova-Reid just trying to send it through that traffic.